I think it's always a fun thing to find a new way to make music and new sounds.
What is that?
My favorite part of using the new system is just to have the initial first reaction trying to figure it out, and once you do figure it out, you get to just mess around as much as you want, and that's really fun.
Like.
No, I don't think I can do that. How great I am at this. Your hair gives a good effect for that. Let's tune this. Music makes me feel free, and it makes me feel like I can say whatever I want. Music is pretty much everything to me.
What's your ideas?
For the song?
Yeah. So sick of waiting for ya. Something, 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 something.
So every time I play a chord, then you play another note. Ready? No. Try again.
Maybe they're just misguided. Maybe they'll just never learn. Maybe it's not one-sided. One day they're gonna feel the burn. Don't wanna, not gonna let them see me cry. Don't wanna, not gonna hide behind these smiles.
Nice, you guys, that's amazing. You guys did this all today?
Yeah.
I thought maybe you were playing video games. So good. You guys are amazing.